Just because your tap water looks really, really clear, it doesn't mean it's super clean. In fact, it could just be hiding harmful contaminants that could affect your health and your home. Many people assume that their water is safe because it meets local standards. Those standards were set in 1972. Were you even born then? It meets those local regulations, but there could be other things in there like heavy metals, forever chemicals, PFOAs, PFASs. There could be hexavalent chromium-6 in the water, chlorine, bacteria. There could be other harmful toxins that are in your water, and they can still be present, but the water can look very clean to you and me. And here's the real hidden danger, is long-term exposure to small amount of toxins can lead to impact on your health and your welfare and even your home, which causes damage to your plumbing, damage to your appliances, ruining your clothing, causing dry, itchy skin, dry, brittle hair, and as a result, you buy more and more chemicals to combat those issues that you now are having. And all those things are a result of what was first and foremost in your water. But here's the good news. The good news is a simple water test can reveal exactly what's in your water supply. So you can take the initiative to protect your home and most importantly, your family. Now, what I like water tests, and we just are starting to roll out water testing so that people that want to get their water tested from anywhere in the country can send it in to us for $35. And then if you end up wanting to buy a system, we're going to take that $35 and put it towards the credit of a new system. So we think that it's so important to do water testing. A lot of people are like, where do I get it tested? They call us, they're confused. So they've been reaching out to us and say, please do this. So we're happy to do that. At a very minimum, you're going to spend $35, $40. And what you're going to do is you're going to understand exactly what's in your water. So it gives you the authority to go to a water company and say, this is in my water. I want you to sell me a system that's going to guarantee to take it out. Sounds pretty simple, right? A guarantee. Like, here's the things that are in my water. I have a family of 4. On average, every human being uses about 50 gallons of water per person per day. That's 200 gallons of water a day. I want a system that you guarantee is going to take that much rock out and this much chlorine out of the water. And by the way, I also have a list of all the other toxins that are in my water, and I want you to sell me a system to take those toxins out. Because those are the hidden dangers in your water supply. Now, most of the time what we do is we're going to go to a nonprofit called the Environmental Working Group. We're going to uncover, using your zip code, what's actually in the toxins are in your water. It's really that simple. If I do it, we have to send it out to a lab. It's going to cost us several $100s, but the Environmental Working Group's already done that for you. So you can just go to ewg.org, enter your zip code under their tap water database, and there you're going to find out what toxins are in the water. That's those hidden toxins. The water looks really clean, but is there hexavalent chromium-6, PFOAs, PFASs? Don't forget, the Biden administration updated the EPA's toxic water listing, mandating that cities all over the country test for that, and if it's over a violation, they're going to have to put in water systems to take that out. Now, President Trump is talking about getting rid of that. Why? I don't know. I mean, here he has on one side Kennedy, who's all about making us live longer and have a healthier life, but on the other side, he's sitting there going to eliminate our local governments from actually testing forever chemicals, which is highly toxic to the human body, and then be required to take them out. I don't know. It's a crazy world we live in. But what I can tell you is that to me, my job is to empower you with the information to help you live a longer, healthier life. My passion literally is, I believe I'm on the planet for one purpose. That's to impact in a positive way other people's well-being. And your well-being, to me, is making you a healthier human being, a healthier American. And the way that I know that I can do that, because when I went through chemistry class, when I was in pharmaceutical industry, I learned that our body is like 65% water, our brain is like 80% water, 80% water. So if we're so much water, it seems to me like it makes sense that we take this glass and we make it as clean as possible, because that's what we're going to hydrate our body with. I mean, your body is a human filter, right? I inhale air, the oxygen gets filtered through my lungs and puts oxygen into my blood system. If I drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, I'm that glass of water. So if you think about it, if I eat a banana in 4 hours, I'm that banana. It's pretty simple stuff, right? Why? Because we have organs that are designed to take what you consume and make it you. So clearly, water is a humongous component of you. And so to me, it makes sense that we identify what toxins are in the water, what things are in your water, so we can help your family avoid the dangers that are in our water supply and the results that come with it, which is being unhealthy. So when we look at this, we want to be able to say to ourselves, okay, we want to get these toxins out of the water. We want to identify them first and foremost. So let's get back to it. We do aesthetic testing. That's the rock, and the chlorine and the iron that would be in the water. And we give you a report so you can actually be empowered with knowledge independently of what's in the water. Then you can use that to size and get the right quote from a company that would come out to your house to give you a quote. Why do you have to get a quote? Because they have to install it in the house. There's a few things that you want to check out on that, because we always want to make sure that they're bypassing the outside silicox if they can. If not, you got to get a bypass valve on the water softener. So if you're filling a pool or irrigating your yard, you're not using the water softener, soft water, and the water filtration system to filter that water that's going on the grass. Because by the way, pro tip, you want the minerals on the grass. You just don't want the minerals on the glass. You don't want it on the shower stall. You don't want it on the refrigerator. You don't want it on the faucet. You don't want it on your silverware. I mean, white film on the silverware, that's scary. It sucks, right? On the shower stall. You don't want any of that. So we need to get that out. And so understanding these hidden dangers in your water is critical. And the dangers really can be calcium and chlorine for the whole house. That's aesthetic. And then toxins, which we'd be looking for through the EWG report. And then with that information, we want to get you or have you get a system that's certified to take that out. And just pro tip, if you are going to go out and do it right here today because you're super duper excited and you're like, I'm ready to rock and roll, you want an NSF 58 certified reverse osmosis system. NSF stands for National Sanitation Foundation 58. Be very careful. You go online, people say, we're certified, we're NSF certified. No, you literally have to go to NSF, enter the company's name, and you'll find so much deception. It's incredible. You think the government is deceptive? Holy crap. So is the water treatment industry. So when you go online, please go to nsf.org. There you can click on products. You can search the manufacturer's name, and then you can uncover whether or not they truly have a NSF 58 certified. By the way, not only do you want to see if their name shows up, click on the products or the company's name so it unravels all the models that they carry. Sometimes they might have an old model that was certified and they're selling you a different model that's made in China. And so they say they're certified, but it's only one product. And be very, very careful, because that will be the way that they save money. Now, is selling you a system that's not certified. So that said, I urge you to really do that homework on that NSF 58 for a drinking water system. On a whole home system, you're going to look for NSF 44. National Sanitation Foundation 44 means that they're actually looking to take the rock and the toxins out of the water. Lastly, by the way, in the drinking water system, what you want to be able to look at is you want to be able to find NSF 401, which means that's looking out for the emerging contaminants. Those emerging contaminants are going to be forever chemicals like PFOAs and PFASs and hexavalent chromium 6. Those toxins you want out of your water, so it's very, very important that you're looking for NSF 401. That's huge because, of course, those are recent toxins that have been found in our water supply, and you're looking for a system that absolutely is going to guarantee you that you can get that out of your water. It's pretty simple. If my job is to make your family more healthy, then I need to find the right water system to sell you to make your family healthy. And that's pretty simple. What are the list of toxins that are in your water and which system is certified to take it out? I marry those two together and say, here, that's what you need to buy. It's not rocket science, but what it is in this industry of deception, people don't want to tell you that. Here, what I hope today is we've helped you understand the hidden dangers in your tap water and how you can protect your family. Please don't forget, if you like this video, do me a favor and share it with 3 people that you love and care for. Share it with friends and family. Please press like and subscribe to our channel. This is how we grow. Really do appreciate that because we are here in order to do one thing, and that's to impact the well-being of our fellow mankind. So along that line, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you. You can get to us at angelwater.com. Call us at 847-382-7800. That's 7800. Or you can also comment on these videos. We try to do our very best to respond to all of you. Again, I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you.